Hey everyone, as a LinkedIn Company Pages expert, I would say the number one question that I get asked is how do you generate leads for your business using your LinkedIn company page? I'm Michelle J. Raymond, founder of Good Trading Co., and I'm here to answer that question today with one simple tip that you can go away after you've watched this short video and implement it straight away. It is one of the most overlooked things and the most obvious things when I show you that people aren't doing within their businesses. Whether you're a business of one, whether you're a multinational company with thousands of employees, the process needs to be implemented straight away. I'm not talking about automated spam. I'm not talking about those non personalized messages sent out en masse that nobody reads, nobody's interested in. Going to actually share with you a really simple tip today. Let's not waste time. Let's just jump straight into this. First of all, what I want you to do is jump into your page admin view on your company page. That's what you can see here on my screen. When you jump into the page admin view, you're going to see this here, the number of page followers that you have on your page. Now, I don't know if anyone's ever clicked on it. Most people, I think, just watch that little number tick over. I'm here to say, press on that and open up a whole new world of lead gen for you. How do we do it? I've just clicked on it. And what I want you to do is scroll down past the follower demographics, keep on going. And here, LinkedIn actually gives us a full list of all of your company page followers. How does this turn into lead gen? Now, for those people who are looking for ways that you can download email addresses and spam people and bombard them with emails off the platform, sorry, this method isn't for you. This is about nurturing relationships. This is about actually identifying who's in your target audience. Now, we know that people don't follow LinkedIn company pages just for the fun of it. There's something that they've noticed, that they've recognized, that your page potentially has the information to solve the problems and challenges that they have either personally or within their business. So, company pages typically don't have as many followers as what you do on your personal profile. For me personally, I've got roughly 2,000 company page followers and I've got around 10,000 personal followers. When I look at my company page, which is dedicated to LinkedIn company pages, that people only go there when they want to know something about LinkedIn company pages. My personal profile connections, I've collected them over probably around 10 years that I've been on LinkedIn. I've also changed industries, I've changed jobs. And so, from that reason, it's probably about 50-50. Half my followers on my personal profile are from my previous industry, and half know me best as a LinkedIn trainer and strategist and company pages expert. For your company page, we're building a niche B2B community. That's the whole strategy behind this. When we scroll down to all followers, what you're going to see is a list by month of all the most recent page followers. Now, next to every page follower, you can see there's a second, a first, or maybe a third next to their name. That is actually all to do with, are they my first degree connections? So that's I'm connected with you, you're connected with me. Is it my second degree connection? So that means someone that I know is connected to them. Or is it third degree, where these are just people that have found my content organically and I'm not connected and no one in my circle is connected? And that just shows you the power of the reach of company pages when you build them and when you add value. So, what am I going to do? It's really this simple. I'm going to have a look for anyone I'm not a first degree connection with. I'm going to reach out, I'm going to connect with the person. My strategy for doing this and how I do that is you literally just click on the person's profile, it pops it up, and we're going to go through the normal method. We're going to personalize the invite if we're on mobile, or we're going to click on connect if we're on desktop, like I am today. The message that I send to people is really simple. I'm going to say that I'm the face behind the page. I introduce myself. I'm Michelle J. Raymond, the founder of Good Trading Co. Thanks for following my page. I'd really like to be connected because I share other tips and strategies about LinkedIn company pages on my personal profile. Now, in my experience in doing this process and being diligent, it's not something you need to do every day. I would say it's a monthly task. Go back, have a look. If you have a sales team, these guys need to be doing the same process. You need to involve them. Social selling is a team sport. It's not something that just the marketing team looks after. It's everybody in the business. And the more that you get involved, the better. Once you're connected, we're not going to just connect and spam and say, "This is what I sell. Please buy from me," and be desperate. People smell the desperation and they want to run away. Now, what we're going to do is nurture the relationship. You've now generated a lead. It's your job to nurture. So you are going to support that person's content, start a normal and natural conversation that will lead, hopefully, to a time where you can go off platform, set up a call, and have a more in depth discussion. Do not try and rush this process. It's the biggest mistake that I actually find. People that are desperate, that want sales, try and skip all the steps. It's impossible. So take your time, reach out and connect and nurture. These are people, as I said, they're genuine leads that are interested in your topic of choice. What you do with them and the results you get is on you. If your processes don't align with your values or your content that you're putting out on your company page, you've got no chance. So it's really that simple. Click on followers, click on those that you're second and third degree connections with, reach out with a personalized invite, nurture that relationship, and watch it blossom over time. I personally have found that I have a much higher success rate with doing this kind of outreach with people that are following my company page. Again, they're there for a reason. The more that I nurture it, it's just so much easier to sell. And I'm a salesperson at heart, 2 decades of selling, nearly 10 years of social selling on LinkedIn. I just want to do it the easy way. So take this tip. Please make sure you like and subscribe to stay up to date with all my best tips and strategies on how to get the most out of LinkedIn for your business. Cheers.